in a minute, but it has a little something. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I did a gold cut crease. And first, I'll be using my Fenty Pro Filter Concealer, number 420. And I'm just going to dab it on my eyelids. Now, for the base, I'll be mixing Zulu and Ada from the Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place. So I'm just going to spread it all in there. Then for the outer part, I'll be using that Fenty Come and Get It. And I'm just gonna dab it up there, You guys, I'm really proud of my work. I am so proud. Like, just trust the process, you guys. Just the process. You'll get it one day. Okay, so now you guys, it's all about cutting the crease, which is one of the hardest parts. And don't worry about that little mess in the corner because I'll clean it up. Next, I'll be using the shade Honey from the palette Naked by Urban Decay. And basically, I'm just going to spread it on the crease. Now, from the Wahala palette, I'll be using Gossip. Then it's all about the pepper body, straight out of Wahala. Okay, so once I got the glitter there, now I'm just gonna go back to the main eyeshadow and blend it out a bit. Like, look at how everything is coming along. Like, listen, when I tell y'all I am proud, I am absolutely proud of this. I did that. Period, poo. Like, period.
I thought I was recording, guys.
Thought I had a clip of me putting on the eyelashes. Just watch the magic now. Like, look at that concealer. Look at the ghost. Look at the ghost. Like, I was baking. Yeah, I said whoa, because I was in shock. This was absolutely a first for me, contouring and all that stuff. And I think I did pretty good. I did a really good job. So after the setting spray, I'm just gonna go back to my foundation and tone everything down, make sure everything's blended well, and just pat. By the way, the foundation that I'm using is Fenty Pro Filter Soft Matte Powder Foundation, and it's number 440. Ting! Okay, I'm done. I'm done. Let me know how I did in the comment section, like your girl did that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, all that good stuff. Peace out, baby. But of course, watch me finish model. You know what I mean? Thank you guys so much for watching though.